Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing a clean, high-resolution source image because Remini enhances detail best from quality input. Open the app, sign in, and grant storage and camera permissions so files move freely. Next, import the target photo and pick the Enhance or Edit tool. This is your first actionable step. Once done, tap the Enhancement preset to auto-analyze noise and sharpness so the app maps detail restoration before deeper manual adjustments. Now you handle the complex middle work. Balance enhancement sliders so detail appears without over-sharpening artifacts. Increase detail gradually and reduce noise in tandem. Doing one without the other creates haloing. Use Face Refine to recover facial features while toggling background Preserve to keep bokeh consistent. For stubborn spots, switch to local brushes and paint over eyes, hair, or textured areas to restore clarity selectively. Make small iterative saves so you can compare before and after. To finish, export at the maximum resolution Remini offers and choose PNG for least compression if you plan further edits. Make sure to preview the final image at 100% zoom to catch artifacts. If you notice halos or unnatural textures, undo the last step and reduce enhancement by 10 to 30% or reapply denoise before sharpening. Finally, move the image into an external editor for color grading and precise final sharpening to achieve that DSLR-like finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.